Hello everybody. Now we are going to perform an experiment on Crompton DC potentiometer trainer. Okay. Here you can see DC Crompton potentiometer. Here you have 2 volts DC supply. Okay. To give supply voltage to this DC potentiometer, we are going to give these 2 volts to this DC potentiometer as supply. Okay. Here we have 2 controls, rheostat controls. Okay, this is curves control, whereas this is fine control. Okay, here we have a knob to switch over to standard. While doing standardization, you can put knob over here. Okay, if you want to measure unknown voltage, you have to put this knob over here. Okay, here we have galvanometer key. Okay, pressing this galvanometer key means connecting galvanometer in the circuit. Okay, here we have dial resistors and basic slide wire potentiometer over here. Okay, here if you vary this dial resistors, okay, you can measure up to 1.5 volts. Here you can measure up to 0.25, sorry, 250 millivolts, okay, or 0.25 volts. Okay, here we have E1 connections for E1, connections for E2, and connections for standard cell, connections for galvanometer. Here we have galvanometer. Okay, if it is showing null deflection means no current is flowing through this galvanometer. Okay, here we have standard cell also. Okay, standard cell of 1.018 volts. Okay, standard EMF. Okay, by using this standard EMF cell, we are going to do standardization. Okay, here we have voltage regulator. Okay, this can be used as test cell. Okay, we are going to give some voltage to this test cell. This can be used as test cell. Okay, we are going to measure voltage given by this voltage regulator. Now let us go for standardization first. Okay, first let me give supply voltage to this DC Crompton potentiometer. Okay, let me join DC terminals. Okay, then after you join DC terminals. Okay, now supply voltage is given to this. You can switch on the supply. When you want to give the supply, you can switch on the supply. Okay, now you connect galvanometer. Connect galvanometer. Okay, place knob over here. Okay, at this. Okay, here we are placing knob over here. Okay, for standardization. Okay, so let me connect standard cell to this Crompton potentiometer. Okay, now we will go for standardization. Okay, if I press galvanometer key, okay, let me switch on the supply. Okay, if I press this galvanometer key, means you are connecting this galvanometer to the circuit. Okay, it is showing some deflection. Okay, it is showing some deflection. Okay, here standardization means it is the process of adjusting working current to make voltage across these two, okay, this and this, against standard cell voltage. Okay, so you are making voltage across this and this equal to voltage across standard cell. Okay, so by adjusting these two, by adjusting curve control and fine control, you are going to do standardization. Okay, so now let me vary this fine control. Okay, by varying this, you have to press this key. Okay. Now it is showing null deflection. Now the standardization has been done. Okay. Now we are going to measure voltage across test cell. Okay. So let me switch off the supply and anyhow switch off. Okay. It is moved to E1. Okay. Now you are going to measure voltage across E1. Okay. Now you make connections. Okay, here I am giving 1.5 volts. Okay, voltage across test cell is 1.5 volts. Okay, anyhow, let me measure voltage across dial resistance and potentiometer. Okay, and you are going to find percentage error of this potentiometer. Okay, so now. Okay. So it is 1.5 volts, right? So you do one thing. Okay, it is at 1.25 volts. Okay, voltage across dial resistors is 1.25 volts now. Okay, so now let me vary this. Okay, now here pointer is deflecting. Okay, we have to obtain null condition. Okay, in order to obtain null condition, let me vary this slide contact of potentiometer. Okay, here you can see null deflection. Okay, it is at 0.235 volts. Okay, so 1.5 volts plus 0.235 volts. Okay, it is 1.25 plus 0.235 volts.